Hi friends! Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Drink for those who hate the gym but want a flat stomach. If you are one of those people who cannot start exercising in the gym, try to solve your problem with this drink, which has an effect as 100 sit-ups. Of course, there is no magic recipe that will turn you into a supermodel, but at least this recipe along with a healthy diet will help you to lose inches off the waist. Ingredients: 500 ml almond milk, 2 frozen bananas, 2 tablespoons sour cream, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons almond butter or coconut oil, a little nutmeg. Preparation: put all the ingredients into a blender and blend for a few minutes. Pour the mixture into a glass and consume the shake while it is fresh. This healthy shake can replace a snack, or you can drink it as addition to breakfast. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.